What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I will be showing you how I lost $400 trading NASDAQ today. Kind of unfortunate day for me today, not gonna lie. But, so I will be going over the trade that I took, when I took it, how I took it. If you want to see me trade live, I'm live on Cake at 8 a.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. So if you want to pop out, pop out. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So, my bias today was I didn't have a bias. I'm not even gonna lie. I did not have a bias at all. So we're on the 1 hour time frame. So we had this huge dip yesterday, which was around 1,600 points, which was absurd. And like I said, I don't really have a bias for today, but if we scale down to the 5 minute, we broke London highs right here, and that's when I was thinking, okay, we could be bullish for today, especially after going from market open, pre-market ripping, filling out this fair value gap right here completely, and then when market open, ripping and taking out this high literally 5 minutes later into market open. So what I pretty much did is I scaled at the 1 minute. After we took out this high, I waited for a retracement into a fair value gap, which is right here. So afterwards, I waited for a break of structure to the upside again, which was right here. And that's what I entered. My take profits were going to be this 1 hour high and then the top of this 1 hour fair value gap. That was the plan. But as you can see and tell, it stopped me out completely, almost immediately. It stopped me out quite literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 minutes later. And we've just been chopping for the last hour and a half. So, reasons why it was a bad trade is because on the 4 hour, we had just broken the 4 hour and we did not close above the 4 hour. Number one reason why it was my bias was wrong. Number two, we have a lot of tariff news coming out, and Donald Trump is still in talks with China about their own tariffs. And number three is that we have CPI and PPI news coming out, but especially CPI news coming out tomorrow. And pre-day CPI news, so if it's coming out on Thursday, Wednesday, which is today, the market is really not volatile. It's kind of moved sideways, which, as you can see, it has done so. So, kind of a tough loss. I over leveraged as well. I had two micros for 200 each, and I should have just taken one. But again, I wanted to over risk because I really thought we were going to take out these, or at least enter this 1 hour fair value gap. Fortunately, we didn't, and that's on me. But we learn. So now I know that to learn to not trade pre-day CPI news, and to wait for more news about tariffs, and pretty much just be and understand what Donald Trump is doing. So yeah, that is the trade recap today. Sucks we're down 400, but again, we live and learn. So if you guys want to see me trade live, 8 a.m. on Kick, link is in the bio. But yeah, love and appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.